Listen, y'all seen the title and the thumbnail, and I already know y'all loving what you see. I'm gonna show you guys how to make beef and broccoli noodles, stir fry. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Back here we have our ground beef. Also back here we have our spaghetti pasta. I want these pasta noodles to be a little bit thicker than your regular thin spaghetti. So try to get the number 7 or the number 5 for this particular recipe. Or if you want to use egg noodles, you can too, but a little bit more thicker pasta than a thinner pasta. I don't know if I said our broccoli, but we got our broccoli here, some onions, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vegetable oil. I think that's how you say it, Mirin, Japanese Mirin here, or Mirin, however you want to say it, sue me. Chopped garlic, brown sugar, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and we have some red chilies right here. So this is all you need. Let's jump into it. So to get started, we're gonna prepare our stir fry sauce. So take an empty dish, add your oyster sauce, your dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, the mirin, like I said, I think that's how you say it. If not, who cares? And our brown sugar. And we're just gonna give that a good mix like this. All right, that's all we have. We're gonna sit this aside. So the first thing we're gonna do in this process is we're going to blanch our broccoli. So right here, I got some boiling water where it's coming up to boil or it's already boiling. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our broccoli and we're gonna let that blanch for about 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so after that 2 minutes, we're just gonna remove our broccoli, add them here to a bowl. All right, that's what we have. All right, so now we're gonna sit this aside. We're gonna clean our pot, add some new water, and we're gonna start preparing our noodles. So now we brought over a new pot of water. I have that baby coming up to boil. Once it comes up to boil, we're gonna add our pasta. So we got about a few more minutes. All right, so our water has reached the boiling temperature. All we're gonna do is we're gonna add our spaghetti noodles. And we're gonna cook those babies until it's al dente, about 9 minutes. And while that cooks, we're gonna head over to our cooktop and we're gonna start preparing our ground beef. So now we're gonna heat our pan over medium-high heat. Now guys, if you have a wok, you can definitely use a wok. I don't have a wok, I need to get one, but this definitely can work without a wok. And guys, when you're doing stir fry, it's really important to make sure the pan is really hot before you start adding your grease. It's not like you making tacos. You want to like stir fry. You want this baby to start frying. All right, so now that our pan is hot, we're gonna add our vegetable oil. And you can see right there how hot that baby is. And that's why it's really great to have a wok, because that oil sits down in the middle. As you can see, it kind of moves to the side because I don't have a wok. That's why using a wok is really good when you're doing stir fry, because all of it congregates in the center and you get you're able to fry it within that oil. All right, so we're gonna add our ground beef, and we're going to mince our beef until slightly brown. I'm gonna hit this with a little salt, just a little bit. We got that soy sauce coming, so you don't need to put too much salt on it. All right, so once your beef is brown, you wanna go in with your garlic and 2 tablespoons of your stir fry sauce mix, and we're gonna get that mixed in. Next, we're gonna go in with our onions. Now, once we get the onions in there, we're gonna come behind that with our noodles. And we're gonna pour the remaining sauce. And next, our broccoli. And we're finna get this baby mixed up in here. And once we get that mix, we're gonna add our peppers. Guys, and this is totally optional whether you wanna put those peppers in there or chilies. I'm sorry, they're not peppers, they're chilies. Same thing, doesn't matter. And guys, take a look at what we have. Take a look at that. All right, looks like we're good. We're gonna turn off our heat. Let's get over to our cutting board so we get into the final presentation. All right, so now we're at our cutting board. This is what we have. Man, this looks delicious. We're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. there you have it. Beef and broccoli noodles. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we do a taste test. All right, guys, y'all already know it's grocery time, quality control. Take a look at them groceries. Oh man, groceries. Woo, man, let's go ahead and get to it. Man, guys, y'all already know, man. There's no reason me to sit here and y'all act like these ain't groceries, man. These are groceries. Banging, man. This is banging. I don't know what else to say. Except add this to your Spinelli's list of things to cook. So guys, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Man, this good, man, for real. He just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.